Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. Now I will be taking up a good number theory problem where we have to find a solution to a equation of congruence. We have to find the value of x. 23x equivalent to 245873, a 6-digit number, mod 37. Here 37 is a prime number. Please make note of it. 23 is a prime number. 245873 is a number that we have to solve. What is 245873? How we can write it? When 23x is divided by 37, 245873 is the remainder. It's looking little bit a tough question because its 6 digits remainder is there. We will dissolve this 6-digit remainder to some small number so that we can appreciate the solution for x. It's a 6-digit number. It requires inverse, modular inverse calculation. It requires simplification of 245873 number, and also it requires a little bit of logic, and also it requires number theory principles to be applied. Almost many things from number theory and algebra are involved in this particular question. Hence, I have taken this up. Let us try to solve. What is the question given? Question is 23 into x equivalent 245873 mod 37. You see, very good question. Let us try to solve it. Let us try to first simplify this 245873. 245873, when it is divided by 37, what will be its value? This can be done very easily without a calculator. Around 6645 point something, 0.2 and something. Now, it has one integer value 6645 and some remainder. Then can we write 245873 is equal to 37 into 6645 plus some remainder x? Can we write like this? That implies 245873 is equal to 245865 plus some x, that is the remainder. This is the remainder because it did not fully divide. Let us try to find out this remainder. X remainder is equal to 245873 minus 245865. That value remainder is 8. Then can we write like this? 245873 equivalent to 8 mod 37. When 245873 is divided by 37, there is a remainder of 8. Now, let us compare. One is 23x equivalent to 245873 mod 37, and second is 245873 equivalent to 8 mod 37. When you combine these two, can we replace 245873 with 8? Definitely. That results in 23x equivalent to 8 mod 37. We have reduced this equation. Now, we have to find x. We are not interested in 23x. In regular arithmetics, x is equal to 23x by 23. You agree? In modular arithmetic also, here we are required to find modular inverse of 23 to solve for x. What is the modular inverse of 23? I have many times told you how to find out the modular inverse of a number. It should be like this. 23 into, let modular inverse be y, should be 1 mod 37. Y is the modular inverse of 23. Are you able to understand? We have to find out that y value. Using the extended Euclidean algorithm, EEA principles to be applied here. I have already explained in detail in my previous classes. A lecture is on extended Euclidean algorithm is there. Please see that. EEA is extended Euclidean algorithm. Everything is explained there. Please see that. Now I have to find y, which is going to be the inverse of 23, which is going to give me a remainder of 1. mod 37. This equation is to be satisfied and I have to find y in this equation. From EEA we get the value of y as 29. How we have got this 29? You please refer to my earlier lecture. You try to understand how to get the value of modular inverse. I have released 2 lectures on it. Please refer to them. Please let us verify whether it is or not. 23 into 29 is how much? 23 into 29, 667. $667 is equal to 18 into 37 plus 1. $666 plus 1. That implies (23 into 29) equivalent to 1 mod 37. Do you agree? If you replace 23 into 29 with 667, because from this 667 equivalent to 1 mod 37, which is nothing but 23 into 29, because 23 into something we want, equivalent to 1 mod 37. Right hand side should be 1 mod 37. 29 is the modular inverse of 23. Modular inverse of 23. As we have told, 23 into 1 by 23 into x is equal to x. 23 into 1 by 23 is equal to 1 in regular arithmetic. But in modular arithmetic, 23 into 29 equivalent to 1 mod 37, because mod 37 is there. Now, 23 into 29, 29 is the modular inverse, so that let us multiply, let us put this in this equation. What is the equation? 23 into x, 8 mod 37, because we have to remove 23. When 23 is removed, what happens? 23 into 29 modular inverse into x equivalent to this. We are multiplying both sides by 29. 29 into 8 mod 37. 29 into 23, what we can say? It is equal to 1 in congruence and modular arithmetic, because 29 is the modular inverse of 23. Hence, it will become x modulo x equivalent to 29 into 8, 232 mod 37. That is equivalent to, what is 232? Let us what you call simplify. 232 is equal to, in mod 37 terms, 6 into 37 plus 10. Do you agree? 222 plus 10. 6 into 37 plus 10. 232. That means 232 equivalent to, we have to write in mod 37 terms. 10 mod 37. Everything we are converting into mod 37 terms. X is equal to 232 mod 37. Mod 37, it will be kept same as it is in both. 232 will be replaced by 10. That implies X equivalent 10 mod 37. It is the solution. Answer. How we have simplified from 23x equivalent 245873 mod 37, we have found out 8 as the remainder with mod 37 and 245873 is divided. Then left hand side 23x also we have taken and right hand side is replaced by 8 mod 37. Then 23 into y, that is the modular inverse of 23, is equal to 1 module 37. Because it will be 1, because it is an inverse. And we have found out a number such that a number is divided by 37, which gives 1 as the remainder, and also divided by 29, 1 as the remainder, and 23 into 29 equivalent to 1 mod 37, 667 equivalent to 1 mod 37. Then 23 into 29 equivalent to 1 mod 37. 23, 29 is the modular inverse of 23. Hence, 23 into 29 into x becomes x. 23 into 29, they get cancelled. And because it is 8 mod 37, 23x is equal to 8 mod 37, 29 is multiplied by 8 and we got 232. 232 with mod 37, with reference to mod 37, when it was found, it has a remainder of 10 when 37 is multiplied by 6 and 10 is added. Then 232 equivalent to 10 mod 37, x is equal to 232 mod 37. Mod 37 it remains same and 232 is replaced by 10, and this is the answer. This is how we have to find out x. It is not like a simultaneous equation where if 23x plus 73 is equal to 93 means we will write it as 23x is equal to 93 minus 73, that is equal to 20, and x is equal to 20 by 23. It is not like this. It is in arithmetic. Modular inverses are different. Ultimately, the solution is for the given big problem when 23x equivalent to 245873 mod 37, this we will be able to find out because 23x on the left hand side, we have to find out the 23 modular inverse, that is 29. And 24873 also we want to reduce it to mod 37, that it is reduced to 10, has resulted in, because we have to find out x. X is equal to 10 mod 37. This is the answer. With this, I want to close today's lecture. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. If there is a value addition, if you find anything confusing for you, please comment, I will reply for the comment. This whatever procedure is there in modular arithmetic, please get yourself thorough with the modular arithmetic procedures. Concepts and procedures are more important than numbers. So automatically if numbers are changed also, you will be able to solve the problem. Here why I am giving different types of problems, the reason that you will be get trained in the handling different types of problems, so that any problem of any type that comes, you can correlate in the examination and do better. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. If you feel there is a value addition because of this lecture to you, please share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. I will be coming up with many problems like this, where at the face of them they look very tough, they look very big, but when you start solving with number theory theorems like extended Euclidean algorithm and other theorems, many theorems are there, and we have applied many theorems in many occasions and we resolved many problems. Please see my various lectures which I have released on the subject, and any doubt you please put it in comments, I will reply. Thank you. Thank you once again for seeing my lecture. Best of luck.